In the misty mountains of Akakawa, where the air shimmered with the stories of ancient times, a young boy named Kaito discovered the enchanting world that lay beyond the confines of his village. He would often wander through vibrant meadows, where wildflowers danced in the gentle breeze, and near crystal-clear streams, where the laughter of water echoed like a melody. In this realm of wonder, adventure awaited him at every turn, igniting a spark of curiosity within his heart. One fateful twilight, as the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky with hues of orange and purple, Kaito felt an irresistible draw towards the heart of the mountains. Following the whispering winds, he stumbled upon a hidden cave draped in mystery. The moment he stepped inside, warmth enveloped him, contrasting the cool breeze outside. The cave radiated a soft, inviting glow that beckoned him further into its depths, illuminating magical gemstones embedded in the walls, sparkling like stars in a night sky. As he ventured deeper, a magnificent creature emerged. Kokoro, the white dragon. Its scales resembled the finest ivory, each shimmer telling tales of wisdom and grace. With eyes exuding warmth and kindness, Kokoro's wings unfurled, enchanting Kaito with their elegance. The boy felt an inexplicable bond as the dragon spoke, its voice a harmonious blend of strength and gentleness. Kaito's heart raced, not with fear, but with wonder as he learned of the unique connection they shared. Destined by the whispers of fate, days turned into weeks, and Kaito often visited Kokoro, eager to unveil the secrets of magic that intertwined with the mountains. The dragon revealed ancient spells that danced with the whispers of the trees and flowed with the rhythm of the streams. Kaito learned to harness this magic, feeling the pulse of nature beating through him. Together, they explored the hidden wonders of their world, forging a friendship rooted in trust and understanding. Kokoro, with every lesson, transformed Kaito's perception of reality, intertwining their destinies as they soared through starry skies and traversed lush valleys. The bond they formed transcended the boundaries of boy and dragon. It became a symphony of dreams woven in the fabric of the universe. Kaito no longer felt alone, for he had found a companion who understood his spirit. The mountains, once a mere backdrop to his adventures, blossomed into a living entity filled with mesmerizing tales, waiting to be discovered, each whisper bearing the essence of their friendship. Thus, Kaito's journey into the magical realms unfolded, forever changing the course of his life. In the heart of Akakawa, the sun blazed relentlessly, casting a harsh glare upon the once vibrant fields. Villagers watched in despair as their crops, once lush and green, fell victim to the unforgiving drought. The streams that had danced through the village lay barren, revealing cracked earth that begged for relief. Whispers of desperation floated through the air, carrying with them a glimmer of hope. Kaito, a young soul known for his extraordinary encounters with a white dragon, might hold the key to their salvation. Driven by compassion, Kaito felt the weight of his community's plight pressing upon his heart. The stories of the white dragon, a guardian of nature, stirred a determination within him to act. Seeking guidance, he turned to Kokoro, a wise spirit connected to the elements. Together, their bond strengthened by purpose, they made their way to the heart of the mountains, where the ancient tales spoke of a hidden spring, a secret source of life. As Kaito and Kokoro approached the secluded spring, vibrant energy pulsated in the air, the promise of renewal whispering through the leaves. Kokoro gracefully summoned a stream of pure energy, a radiant light illuminating the area, splashing over the crystalline waters. Kaito, attuned to this newfound connection to nature, felt the magic swirling around him, a current of hope surging through his spirit. With outstretched hands, he channeled this energy toward the parched lands, envisioning the fields bursting back to life. Suddenly, as if the heavens understood their resolve, the skies transformed. Dark clouds gathered and rolled in swiftly, shrouding the sun in an ethereal embrace. A hush enveloped Akakawa, the anticipation heavy in the air. Then, with a thunderous roar, the rain fell, cascading down like a long-lost friend returning home. Each drop kissed the earth, bringing with it the sweet scent of rejuvenation. The villagers emerged from their homes, eyes wide with wonder, as the once dry fields soaked up the life-giving rain. They danced and celebrated, united in their gratitude. Revival reignited within Akakawa. The crops began to swell with vitality, and streams flowed once more, babbling cheerfully as they raced through the village. It was a vivid reminder that hope can triumph over despair. Kaito and Kokoro stood together, hearts surpassing any words spoken, knowing their journey had forged a bond deeper than water itself. A connection that refreshed not just the land, but also the spirit of the village. In the heart of a world shrouded in darkness, a sinister force began to creep across the land, leaving behind whispers of despair and echoes of dread, known only as the Shadow. This dark entity hungered to engulf every glimmer of hope and life, threatening the fragile balance of nature. Kokoro, ever attuned to the pulse of the earth, felt the cold tendrils of the Shadow stretching forth. With urgency etched in her eyes, she relayed a warning to Kaito. Danger was imminent, and they must act swiftly to confront this encroaching menace. With a surge of determination, Kaito climbed onto Kokoro's back, ready to traverse the skies and face the darkness head-on. Together, they became a whirlwind of light and fury, soaring through the clouds as they sought the source of the Shadow's power. Kaito's spirit, once weighed down by doubt, now radiated with newfound confidence. He had discovered the ability to harness the essence of nature itself, an awakening that filled him with strength and purpose. Meanwhile, Kokoro's fiery spirit ignited the air around them as she unleashed her fierce dragon fire, illuminating the dark shadows that lurked beneath. As they engaged the Shadow's dark creatures, a fierce battle erupted, transforming the sky into a canvas of light and dark. Kaito found himself surrounded by grotesque figures, manifestations of the Shadow's wrath. But with every surge of nature's power he wielded, he felt a bond grow stronger with the world that had nurtured him. Yet, amidst the fray, a profound realization struck him. The Shadow was not merely a monster to be vanquished. It was a reflection, a manifestation of humanity's carelessness and neglect for the natural realm. Each creature they fought echoed the discord sown by the disregard of their own kin, a reminder of the consequences of a disunion with Mother Earth. In that pivotal moment, Kaito understood that to reclaim their world, the battle transcended beyond defeating the Shadow's minions. It became a quest to awaken the buried connection between humanity and nature. Fire meant shadow, light meant darkness, and in the heart of chaos, a new resolve was born. With each clash, Kaito vowed not only to confront the Shadow, but to illuminate the path toward harmony, ensuring that the light of consciousness would triumph over the suffocating darkness of neglect. They were not just combatants in a fight. They were guardians of a world fragile yet resilient, ready to ignite a spark of change. In the wake of newfound understanding, Kaito and Kokoro became embodiments of hope. Their friendship blossomed, creating a ripple of enthusiasm among the villagers who were eager to reclaim their land. The air, once heavy with despair, transformed into a melody of purpose as communities united under a clear sky, ready to breathe life back into the earth. With every seed planted, they envisioned a vibrant future, a tapestry of green flourishing along hillsides, and trees standing tall like sentinels of hope. Together, they dug deep into the soil, the scent of fresh earth mingling with the warm sun. And each sapling became a promise of restoration. The villagers laughed and collaborated, their spirits intertwining like the roots of the trees they nurtured, forming an unbreakable bond with nature, while the land called for love and rejuvenation. The streams themselves whispered tales of clarity. Kokoro enchanted the waters, encouraging them to flow freely once again. As she cleared away the remnants of pollution, the streams sparkled like gemstones under the gentle caress of sunlight. Kaito, alongside her, gathered communities to witness nature's resilience as they revitalized these vital waterways, shaping a landscape of life bursting forth with activity. As harmony unfurled like a blooming flower, the ominous shadow which had loomed over their lives began to retreat into the whispers of folklore. The sunlight danced upon thriving fields and painted a vibrant canvas, reflecting the unity of Kaito, Kokoro, and the villagers. Their hearts pulsed in sync with nature's rhythm, a legacy of cooperation that would echo through generations to come. Kaito and Kokoro, their bond ever growing, embraced their newfound roles as guardians of the land. They soared through the skies, eyes shimmering with purpose, watching over the verdant expanses that had flourished under their care. Their journey became a clarion call to all who inhabited the land, a reminder of the profound connection between humanity and nature. Epilogue. Kaito and Kokoro found solace in traversing the skies. Each adventure brought stories and lessons, weaving wisdom into the hearts of all who listened. In their wake, the legacy of harmony persisted, a timeless testament to the transformative power of friendship and cooperation, grounding the future in reverence for the earth that cradled every living soul.